So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing yet another product. Now this time we are reviewing a webcam that I ordered off the Amazon. Now I ordered a webcam basically for the YouTube use, like recording and stuff, because recording from a smartphone was basically a cumbersome process, and it basically led me to not record videos as frequently as I want to. So therefore I planned to order a webcam, and here we are. Now I ordered a Kreo Owl Webcam. This is a 1080p webcam, and and in this video we are basically going to review this entire thing. If you are planning to buy a webcam for yourself, then stick around till the end of the video because things get really interesting. Now what you are seeing right now is the unboxing video. Luckily I recorded an unboxing video this time. So if you unbox the webcam, you basically see a webcam itself, then there is a, I think, warranty card and a quick start guide, I think, and that's basically it. There are some specifications on the box, and I honestly researched quite a bit, so I know the specification. Now this is basically a plug and play webcam. You don't need to install any drivers or anything. So yeah, there's that. Now the webcam is basically mostly it's all plastic. So yeah, but it's not cheap kind of plastic, rather it feels sturdy. But yeah, it is all plastic. I think almost all the webcams out there are made of plastic. I don't have much experience with the webcams, so yeah, there's that. And I just plugged it into my laptop, and then I fired up the OBS and I tinkered with the settings. And yeah, there are some OBS specific settings in this webcam that we will get into in just a bit. Now talking about the specification, this is a 1080p webcam, and this is basically capable of recording 60 fps footage, which I am not doing right now because I don't have enough light for it. Basically, if you want to record a 60 fps footage, then you need to have ample amount of light, or the video will get soft. Like you can use basically sunlight, and since I'm recording at night, therefore there is no sunlight, or I cannot afford a studio light, at least as of now. So yeah, this is basically being recorded in 30 fps, but yes, I have tested and it can record in 60 fps. So yeah, there's that. Then another feature of this webcam is autofocus. Now in my brief testing, I think it is a bit dodgy. Like if you move a bit too much, like you can see I am a bit moving bit too much, then it can throw off the focus entirely. So you can basically go into your OBS settings and just completely disable that thing right away, or that's what I did, because it was causing issues with my recording. Even though if I didn't move that much, it basically created a lot of blur in my videos. So yeah, I just completely got rid of it. There's another cool thing about this camera, and that is the built-in shutter. So yeah, there is actually a built-in shutter on the top of the camera, and let me just show you. So if I just slide this like this, it will completely block the camera lens. And if I slide it again, then you can see that the camera has been revealed, or whatever you say. So yeah, there is this is a cool privacy thing. Then there is also an LED indicator that indicates that that camera is, or webcam is, recording the footage or not. So yeah, that is a nifty feature in my opinion. And on other hand, this camera also has, I think, two microphones. If I'm not wrong, I think it has two microphones. And in my brief testing, I'll say the mic is decent, but it cannot replace something that is close to your mouth, like this mic, or any headphone mic or earphone mic. That will be much better in my opinion. But yes, this serves decently fine as well. If you are in a class or meeting or whatever, then it perfectly serves the purpose. It does not distort, it's not too like dim, or it's not like other person cannot hear you. So if you are using for like streaming or video recording purposes, then I will suggest that you should buy a decent mic. Now, another nifty feature about this webcam is that it has a built-in background noise suppression. It's basically an audio feature where it suppresses a constant noise that is being made in your background, like fan or something like that, fan or traffic or loudspeaker or anything like that. It can use AI, I think, to suppress background noise while keeping you in focus. Then there is another cool feature about this webcam, that you can basically rotate it anywhere, almost anywhere. So basically what you can do is, let me show you. So what you can do is you can tilt it like this to almost 180 degree, and then back right here. What I did was horizontally, so you can also do it vertically. So all you have to do is just tilt it like this, and this is my setup, keyboard and phone and whatever, and you can basically record unboxing videos and all that stuff, or show what's on your table, and then you can basically just put it right on the place, and that's basically it. I haven't explored it that much right now, but I plan to, and I I have bought it just so that I do not have any excuse to not make more videos. And in the future, I think I will try my very best to give you good videos, good quality videos. Now the quality in my opinion is decent, like I can see some background noise, that could be because of my low lighting. So that's basically it. Those are my first impressions for this Kreo Owl webcam. Now if you are planning to buy this webcam, it costed me like 3500 rupees on Amazon, and in this price range I think it is one of the best webcams. In terms of quality, I haven't compared it to like Logitech or anything, but from what I've heard, in this price range, I think some of the Logitech webcams can record at 1080p, but they aren't even close to this in terms of certain features. Like they don't provide 60 fps recording, then they don't tilt like 360 degrees almost, and even vertically. Then they don't have such good mics, and they also don't have any background noise suppression. So yeah, there's that. And if you want to like buy a good webcam in 3500 range, then in my opinion I think you should buy it. Although these are my first impressions, this also comes with a 400-day warranty. So yeah, if something goes wrong, you have 400 days to claim your warranty. And that's pretty much it for the video. And if you like the video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.